Unfortunately, we are losing out on repair, and I have in the last 20 years that I've worked in this field, I'm realizing that many of the skill sets that we had for repairs is vanishing. We don't have trades that we had before, that we so proudly went down the street, especially in India, and got things repaired. We are not having that. To make repairs not only as a as an event or a thought, but it should come as a policy direction, and it should be my right to get things repaired. When I talk about right, at the moment I don't get it as a right. I exercise an option of repair.
अप्रोक्सीमेटली जहाँ तक मेरा तजुर्बा है, जो लोग इसके साथ वाबस्ता है, जो ये काम करते हैं, मेरे ख्याल से जितनी भी बिल्डिंग्स मेरे खुद देखी है और मेरे फोटोग्राफ्स भी उसकी लगभग 10-15 बिल्डिंग्स को ये सामान कलेक्ट करके
So there should be a collective available for people like me and for others who are doing similar things, where they could get the right advice. Sometimes the right advice can save the antiquity of the heritage.